Thank you to my family and friends for your love and support throughout this journey. And to my ate and you, though miles separate us, your encouragement has always been with me. This achievement is ours. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. So are you ready? No more chika for us. So heto na. Please pick up your question. Okay, listen carefully. Your question is, leadership is not about power, but about purpose. As a potential mutya ng Tatal Batong, how will you lead with purpose? Not just with your voice, but with your actions?